What's up, guys? Hey, so in today's video, I'm going to show you kind of a little bit of what I got recently from my partner Nico, and then I'm also going to show you what I made over the last couple of days since I've gotten all this stuff, and then also we're going to go over how long does it really take, because everybody asks me, how long does it take though? Like, it takes a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of time. What kind of equipment? I don't have a computer. You don't need a computer. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys. It's worth it. Alright, you guys, you ready? Here we go. Yeah, eBay. Damn. Camera buttons, all from my phone, guys. All from my phone. Tap it. So these are all brand new, so we'll sort. I like to see the ending soonest, or I screwed up. Well, let's do sold items, done. Sort. End date, recent first. Okay, so this month, 1, 2. All right, these aren't selling that great, but we're gonna go ahead and follow through. So we'll go ahead and pick, this one says brand new. Ours is pretty new. All right, we'll just pick pre-owned. Sell one like this. Let's go, internet. All right, so boom, Star Trek, that's a good title. Has the word DVD in it, that way when I'm sorting and I need to find it later. Condition for ours is actually like new. Scroll down further. We don't really need to put in all that stuff. I have a pre-loaded thing that I like to add for different stuff for my CDs and these DVDs here. Oh man, it fried up. It didn't want to record my face anymore. It must be ugly. So we go clipboard. I got my preloaded deal for here. You know, most cases we ship out one day. Blah blah blah. Near a minute. Back out. Scroll down. 7-day recommended auction, we'll leave it there. $2.20, we'll leave it there. Back out. Shipping, it is media, so I like to switch it all to media. Takes a while to get there, but it's the cheapest option. Wait a second. What did I do? Let's go back. Oh, media, the wrong one. So buyer pays, I like to go charge fixed amount. So what I'll do is I'll just charge enough to cover my shipping supplies. So it cost me $2.75 to ship, I add $1 for shipping supplies. Local pickup, sure, why not? So we'll go out. So everything looks good. Now pictures. Now for my pictures, what I typically like to do is I back out of here. I go to my camera app, which is a double click, because I got the Android. And then we'll go to photos and we'll start snapping some photos. I like to get them in there nice and clean. DVDs are pretty simple. There's not a whole lot. Oh, camera's dirty. Okay. Back. I like to get one like this. You can see how shiny it is. I like to take the extra step, kind of make it look nice. I like to get the reflection of the case in the CD, so you can kind of see it's really nice and clean. Pop the disc off. This is one-handed too. Shoot, I could probably go a little faster. Ooh, it's a gold one. Okay, anyways, perfectly perfect. Got snap. You know, let's add an extra one, just for giggles. We'll do a side view. Damn. Okay, so that's 3. So we go back. It's faster to do it with your own camera app, because then you can load them in faster. Because all you got to do is go like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter. 5. Upload. I back out. Scroll down. List your item. What's the time? 3:23. One-handed, making a YouTube video, slow Wi-Fi, running another program at the same time. I believe that's the only reason it's taking so long is because I got you guys. There it is. Boom. All right. 3 minutes and 40 seconds, guys. All right, guys. So we know it took us about 4 minutes to list one item, and that's how much work we got into it. So the first 2 items, all I did was make a phone call and a person came and picked it up. So that's even less, but we'll keep it at the average of 4 minutes. So here, I'll show you guys the math. All right, guys, the Gold Dredge, we sold on the street, made a phone call, he came and got it. Stereo, sold, he came and got it. Indiana Jones, eBay, 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 and eBay. All those come out, so that's 6 items, 4 minutes per item. That's 24 minutes in. Profits on 24 minutes is $79. Divide that by 24 minutes, comes out to $3.24 per minute. Times that by 60, I made $194 an hour. What? Alright guys, so I'll quickly go over a little bit of what I got. The gold dredge that I sold, you guys were actually along with me last week. You can scroll down in the playlist if you guys weren't around for that, and you can see where I got that. It was last week. So I sold that to actually my stepdad, who's actually a gold dredger. So that was one phone call. He came and picked it up. 75 bucks. So anyways, we're digging. We got these. Some beetles. She got a couple. She got a couple of these beetles. Yeah, not that many though. Think I got more? Wait, that's not. That's the turtles. That's not beetles. But I do got more beetles. 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 You think I got more? Nah, that's probably all I got. I'm just kidding. I got more. Oh yeah, and then also I got more beetles. Look at all these beetles. It's crazy. And the condition is insane on these. I mean, I'll grab any one. Look, any one. This one. Look at it. I don't know if you can get... I mean, there's no scratches. Look at this. Can you see any scratches on that? Can you see any scratches on that? I don't. Do you see any scratches on that? Dude, they're all like that. So even the DVDs are like that. They're all mint. They're mint condition. They're mint condition. So, you know, 4 minutes in on each price, and I know what you guys are going to say. Oh, dude, 4 minutes, but I see like 25 CDs right there. So that's a lot more than, you know, your profit's going to, you know, the numbers don't make sense now. But check it out. It's 4 minutes. So every time I sell it, it only took me 4 minutes to make that money. And it's just going to sit there. So once I get the work in, once I got all the work's in, you know, it's just going to keep generating money. And then I'll probably have new stuff posted by then too. And then it's just going to, look, I got this. Some dominoes. Look, I got this. So, I mean, once I get all this stuff posted, it's just going to sit there. Look, random. This. Eagles. If you guys want any of this, let me know in the comments. What was the coolest thing you think you saw? These Beatles records. There's so much. It's insane. So that's like mostly the cool stuff. You know, I got more. I mean, I got a lot of these like old, like the 40s and 50s, like jukebox kind of style stuff. I mean, this box is thick. It goes deep. It goes deep, you guys. So I got my work cut out for me for sure. Yeah, and then I got a bunch of old school board games. There's a bunch of old board games. So Upwards, this is a pretty old one. Risk. Deluxe edition Scrabble. So, you know. Alright guys, so thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Sorry for all the noise and the jostling during the like screen recording stuff. I just, you know, it makes a lot of noise, and I know the recording audio isn't the greatest. But hey, if you like this, leave me a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this. And give me a subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. And check out my other playlists. You know, I got a music playlist. I got how-to videos. I make a lot of art videos. And, you know, all that kind of junk. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And I'll see you next time. Hey, guys, one last thing. You know, I don't want to say go quit your day job and start an eBay business. But if you're like me and you have some extra time now because of whatever circumstance, hey, try to just get the stuff and do it. And you've seen you can do it through thrift stores too. I mean, I'm lucky enough to have met some partners, but that just explains, you know, word of mouth. Get out there and explain what you're doing, because you never know what's going to happen. Speak it into existence and fail forward, guys.